So we at Rayans Rides are having an open house, and we would love for you guys to come and see the cars being built. So you get highlights on the work actually happening in front of your eyes. So it's a rare opportunity to experience the builds, not just in the phase when they are completed, like something like this. Of course, there's going to be lots of cars that are already completed, but in the various stages of the build. So some of the areas that we have over here, which you can experience at the shop, is our paint prep area. So you see cars in various sets of paint, and couple of cars which are nearly complete, like the AC Cobra. This is going to be here. Uh, there's an Impala that is over there, so that is also going to be ready to hand over. So it's nearly completion as well. And our engineering shop, where we do all of our suspension work. So come along with the kids, let them experience and see this. Let the passion that you have for these custom cars go on to the next generation.